Well, it is snowing. Still snowing. There isn't much yet, but oh, it's cold. My newspaper's there, and just see it. Come on, Roxy. Lovely, isn't it?
Gets attached to her fur.
Doesn't look like the snowblower wants to work. Please. Oh no. This isn't going to end well. Looks like he got it working for a little while. Some 3 lines down the middle of the driveway. Pete and I both had back surgery, so if we don't get the snowblower going, it's a big deal. Pete has a cage in his back and I have rods and screws in mine. Huh?
Go up on it. Every time I change direction, it goes up and down.
That's okay now?
Hopefully, yeah.
It's great.
Wonderful.
Works perfect.
I love the snow.
Roxy's patch. Pete's got in the car and my bag just went out, so I can't get out because I can't bend like that. That's all I can do for now. Look at this one. Oh, Roxy. She's on the back before. You had a long day shoveling, didn't you? Look at these two. This is his pillow on her pillow that I put on the bed so they don't use ours. Such a dog's life. Lou. Lou.
Just so you know,
Lou.
I was probably the last
Where's Pete?
actor in Christendom that they went to. They were shooting the movie already. They had tried to cast everyone and anyone.
You tired, Rox?
And in the end, I don't know why.
Hi, Roxy.
I don't know why. But
I thought it was. I can feel it in my face. Come on, Roxy. She's like, no, I know your game. Come on, Lulu. Let's go get a biscuit. Hi, Miss. Oh, you wet legs. Right, you go get what you need and we'll see you in a sec.
I'm gonna sit in the car.
Okay.
Is this snowing again?
It's flurrying, yeah. Snow does look pretty. There's a big blob on the window. We made it, didn't we, Ash? This is why I was going to sit opposite you. Ashley's favourite fries. Pete's favourite bread. Sweet, isn't it?
I'm gonna get more. It's sad with only 3.
What ones do you have?
The heart, and then the purple glass one that Alex got me, and then...
Oh, the cup I got you.
It's a big stick.
Which? Oh, want those potatoes. It doesn't look that big. Well, I guess because you got the shrimp as well.
Yeah.
So how is it?
How's that, Ash? I haven't eaten it yet.
I knew you were going to say that. It's being facetious. Well, I tried something different, so I hope it's good. What is this called again? Steak.
I
Sounds
can't pronounce it.
with au juice and garlic potatoes, so we're
Sound
gonna
like you said F, yeah.
gonna eat now. That's where we went. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, I did. Did you?
Oh my god, when I'm walking I see this jumping.
Yeah.
Ash, did you enjoy it?
What?
Enjoy it?
Yeah.
Listen to them. You can hear it crunching now because it's getting icy.
The sun will come out tomorrow. It looks really red in here.
I'm wearing red. Roxy. Roxy. Say.
But I'm still stuck.
Say meh in her ear and see what she does. Now let's be like meh.
Meh. Meh.
Oh, that's not my show. Oh wait, yep, that's my show.
They're liars.
Yeah. No, that's not my show anymore. That show.
We'll have it run over for cake tomorrow.
Louis. Book. And then that show, Jane by Design.
Jamie, what's that boy doing in the yard?
Lose 30 pounds.
Jamie, what's the matter?
During the holidays.
Jamie, honey?
While continuing to eat the foods you love. That doesn't. That's probably flavorless though. Close your legs, Ron.
Sorry.
She looks like Buddha now.
Weird. Sue's holding me weird.
And then Lou laying on the blanket. Because he can't lay on the regular floor. Louie. Lou. Don't ignore me. Louie.